Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, 2019. I just wanted to get on here real quick, my friends, to make this quick video just to talk about what sold for for Christmas, the first 2 weeks of December. I was very excited and I couldn't wait to make this video when it was happening. I said it was happening, and hopefully I can make a good edit of this video. Just mind me, I'm a beginner with all this YouTube editing, and so it's kind of tough at times. But anyways, I wanted to share with you guys so that you guys can prepare for next Christmas, so y'all can replicate what I did. Um, so it is so a little bit about my channel, what I'm doing on here. I started online, making money online through online marketing. Um, as a beginner, it's tough to make the numbers that all these gurus show you and all that. And so from the beginning, I didn't want to be that kind of person to just throw out crazy numbers and not disclose that, okay, like there's a difference between sales and actually what you take out home, right? So, anyways, with my journey, I became an eBay seller and an Amazon FBA seller as well. So, some of these videos I haven't yet talked about affiliate marketing and what else that I do online. What I've been focusing is only on the selling on the e-commerce side, for example, eBay and Amazon. So, but little by little, that's what I plan to do with this channel. So if you are looking for ways to make money online, whether you work part-time or full-time, or you just need a little extra cash, like how I was in my position, since I do work, just to kind of make up for that heavy student loan payment and all that. So this channel will be all for that, just, how to make extra money. So anyways, I want to share with the YouTube, crowd, with the YouTube universe, that it is possible. It is possible. And since I had help, from friends, from gurus and all that, I want to pay it forward by just sharing my knowledge onto here. So with this whole, how I came up with the idea to sell Legos, doing retail arbitrage specifically, was it all started with a question, right? So as I like to describe how my thought process, I'm very curious. I consider myself to be like a curious student of the world. And so basically it all started with the question, like, okay, so people go on break from school, from work, for Christmas. Some people go several days, others go weeks, And so I said, okay, well, families are going to be home for Christmas, right? And yes, we have technology, we have Netflix, people, but a lot of people are very old school still. They like to play games, they like to sit together at dinner and, maybe bust out Legos and things like that. So I said, maybe I should look into selling Legos. So that's what I did. I did some research, found out that it could possibly be a winner-winner. And just how with everything online, I preach all the time, test it out. Whatever idea you come up with, test it out. Do not just go off by what somebody says on the internet, because as y'all can see, there's millions of people here on YouTube just sharing their ideas, sharing their, and so you just have to test it out your own. Believe in yourself, believe in what's in you, what's telling you to go for it. So something was telling me to go for it. So I went to, I did my research. I'm not gonna, kind of say the steps and all that. That's for another video, another day. But yeah, and turns out it was just a couple of, different. It was like 3 or 4 sets of Legos that were selling for me, and those were the only ones that I was retail arbitrage. So let me show you my stats. Um, this was one of the main ones, the Creator Gingerbread House. This one actually came for free when you bought the bigger one. for $100. So I was buying it for $100, selling it for 180. A second, and the free one, of course, that was just free money. So let me show you the one that I'm talking about. Right here, 173, 175, 167, 175, 164, 174. So as you can see, I sold about 4 or 5 of those. And then another good set that was selling for me, I was buying it for $50 and selling it for $99.99. Another good one was this one, the Fossil Idea, the dinosaur. Selling, also buying for 50, selling for 90, free shipping. So yeah, I made about $3,000 in that, in just Legos right there. And of course, that's just the sales amount. I'm not breaking down the actual take home after expenses, after shipping, any of that. So if you guys want to kind of it's very easy. Once you know how much I was buying it for, how much I was selling it out for, and you already know what's more or less the shipping cost and all that. So, man, if you like this type of content, I'm gonna be pushing out more stuff like that. Stay tuned, because I am very creative with my thought process. I always look for holidays. I look for things like that. So, and in the future, I'm going to be actually, like this video, I would have done it in the beginning of December, so that you guys could have also jumped in and make some money off Legos with me. So subscribe if you like the content. If you want to stay tuned for those future opportunities of me making these type of videos and saying like, hey, go out here and do what I'm doing to make money. So, all right, thanks.